Hey guys, I'm Rishabh Agarwal and I'm currently enrolled in T.I.M.E Center. So I'm pursuing my BBA from NMIMS University. So I joined T.I.M.E last year in about July, and I found the results were quite astonishing. I was a little bit weak in quant, to be honest, but then I performed really well and I give full credit of it to T.I.M.E. I managed to score 98.5 percentile in CAT, 99 percentile in IFT, 99.5 percentile in SNAP, 99 percentile in AIMCAT, and all the other exams that I gave. So yeah, I'm a fresher, so I couldn't cope up with my class timings a bit. So time was really flexible. So whenever I missed my classes, they allowed me to attend classes from other batches, like from Sunday batch or weekend batch. So yeah, they were quite understanding. And talking about that, it's really a myth that commerce student cannot crack a CAT, because I feel that if you work really hard towards it, if you work with full dedication, I feel it's possible that you can crack CAT easily, but if you have to be dedicated and you have to be regular with your classes. So T.I.M.E, along with the classes, we were also provided more than 50 mock exams, which I felt were very close to the main exam, and they helped me a lot in boosting up my confidence to perform well in the main exam. Also, talking about my future plans, I got a few calls from very big IIMs such as IIM Lucknow, IIM Kozhikode, and from various other colleges such as XLRI and NMIMS, and I wish to pursue my MBA in finance from there, and then I want to join a consultancy firm. So now I would like to share my strategy for what was my strategy like for the 1 week before CAT exam. So guys, I would like to advise you that do not panic, because panic is your biggest enemy at that point of time. You have learned what you have learned. You cannot learn much more in the 1 week. It's hardly any time. So you just need to keep calm and you have to stay confident, because that's the main key that will help you perform an exam. Not a single chapter that you study more will help. It's basically confidence and boost, and stay focused.